This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson sqft. Lynden New Construction home with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, 2,314 square feet, and with a 3-car garage, with an amazing floor plan and covered back deck. This is the home you have been looking for, with soft close cabinets, quartz countertops, gas fireplace in your living room with vaulted ceilings. Beautiful kitchen with large island and stainless steel appliances, and double fridge freezer with a walk-in pantry. Main suite is on the main floor with huge walk-in closet, large tiled shower, double vanity, and you can still pick your colors. Large covered back deck runs from the living room side of the house all the way to the main suite, so you have your own slider on your side. Photos are of the same floor plan with small changes. For more information, review the details below.